Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to check whether you are using DDR3 or DDR4 RAM on your Windows 10 or 11 operating system. So first of all, we will use the graphically. So go to the task manager here, right click on the taskbar and then open the task manager. You can also press Ctrl or delete button and then open the task manager. Okay, once you click on task manager you will see the windows like this. Go to performance option and you should be getting the CPU. Go to memory option. Okay, and once you go to memory option you should be seeing this. If you are using the older window, I'm using here the latest windows, so I'm not able to see it. You should be getting this option like DDR3 or DDR4. Let me show you in the paint. Okay, you should be seeing the option like this, 8 GB DDR3 or DDR4. Okay, so if you are not able to see your RAM like this, you need to install the one software. So open the Google Chrome and you need to type here CPUZ and hit enter. Once you hit enter, go to the first link of this website and we need to download its folder here. Okay, this option, zip English setup, click on that, close this, and this is going to download the zip file, and then we need to extract that. Click on download now. Okay, it's downloaded. Go to the folder and we need to extract it. Okay, so you need to right click here, okay, and extract here. You can see it's extracted now. So we are using 64-bit operating system. Just double click on that and click on yes button when the prompt opens, and it's going to install. Okay, and go to this memory tab and you can see the type is DDR4 and the size is 4 GB, and you can see all the frequencies and more details about the RAM. Okay, like DDR frequency. Okay, so this is how you can check the DDR3 or DDR4 you are using. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.